Hey guys, it's Tony. I just wanted to let you guys know some official news that just came out about Doggy and Dogecoin and a couple of other cryptocurrencies, which we don't really care about. But still holding my original amount, about five. Well, actually holding about 540,000 because I sold about 10k Dogecoins to do something else. But anyways, that's neither here nor there, right? But Pornhub actually just confirmed that they are officially accepting Dogecoin as an official payment on their platform, which is absolutely crazy because sex sells, right? But it's pretty big news. Pornhub, the fact that they're actually considering adding Dogecoin as a source of payment is actually pretty bonkers, right? So I think they accepted XRP, Doggy, USDC, and I think one other cryptocurrency that I'm not remembering that maybe you guys can put in the comments below. But yeah, it just came out earlier today, a couple of hours ago, I think probably. I've just been at work, so I wasn't able to really update you guys on the news. But yeah, officially, Pornhub accepts Dogecoin now as official payments on their platform, which is pretty big.